Hello?
How you doing?
Hi.
Owen's Electric?
My PlayStation, I plug it in here and I was pressing on here. Here I press this button all the time. And I press it a lot of times and it's just not turned on anymore. And it was working earlier and then now it isn't working anymore. And I took it from here, see?
Yeah.
If I take it and then I just plug it in here because I thought maybe it just wasn't plugged in and then it's not turning on.
This is just plugged into it needs to be plugged into an outlet, but you don't have any room left.
But this was plugged in there, right?
No, this is plugged into the wall.
Yeah, but isn't it, if it's just close enough it can, right?
What do you call water that's hot?
Hot water.
What do you call water that's cold?
Cold water.
Water that's hot?
Hot water.
Water that's cold.
Cold water. Is there a point to this?
Water that's frozen.
Frozen water.
Water that's hot?
Hot water.
Water
Are you
that's
kidding me?
water that's frozen.
Frozen water. Are you kidding me?
Water that's cold.
Cold water.
Water that's frozen.
Girlfriend, I hear what you're saying. I'm answering you.
What's the answer?
Cold water.
No. Water that's frozen.
Frozen water.
Water that's frozen.
Ice?
Oh, Jesus.
No?
Yeah. Took a little longer than normal.
Am I the only one that eats a banana like this? And yes, my fingers are clean. Is this normal or am I just a psychopath?
George, look, you got another gift. What is that? Oh, look at the blanket. Look at that, George. That's so sweet. What else is in there, George? What is it? Fresh beets or belt? What is that? Beet chips? Oh, eat some. You already opened it. You like a new blanket, George? Oh, thank you. Thank you. Give me some. Hey, you can give me some? Are you gonna give me a bite or no? Look at all you got, George. That's so sweet.
Sonic Drive-In has been around for over 100 years. And one of the most famous drinks of Sonic is their famous ocean water. I'll show you how it's made. Half a cup of ice. A little bit of Sprite. And the famous blue coconut.
Oh my God.
The ocean water is one of Sonic Drive-In's most prominent drinks. Come on down today on Murphy Road.
Hey, hi. What you want? What you want?
Can I get a nasi lemak but no peanuts?
Nasi lemak, no peanut. Why?
Yeah.
Why no? Best part of nasi lemak is the peanut. Why you don't want peanut?
I'm allergic.
You're allergic to peanut. Why
Yeah,
so
man.
weak? So weak. You scare peanut. Big man like you scare peanut. Hiya. Uncle Roger, growing up in Asia, I scared earthquake, I scare flood. I never scare peanut. How you raise family if you scare peanut? Little brown nut you scare. Why no peanut? What wrong with you? What wrong with you?
It's somebody else. Do you work here?
Yeah, Uncle Roger, work here. Today first day. Today first day. You got problem?
Don't worry about it, man.
No, just eat peanut. Hospital very close, don't worry.
This is the final level of one of the best video games of all time. So this is 8-4 in Super Mario Brothers, and it's easy to get lost in this level, but I'll show you a strategy to get through it. So after about 20 seconds into the level, every time you see a lava pit like that, you go down the next pipe. Now that stands for this lava pit too. It may not look like you go down this pipe, but if you hit that block right there, then you jump on it, you can still go down it. Then watch out for these flying fish, jump over that one last lava pit, and go down this pipe. And you'll be in this underwater area. Make your way through it, and head into this pipe. Okay, we're almost there. Just kill or go under this hammer, brother. Jump over the lava, and then wait for Bowser to jump, and run under him, hit the axe, and congratulations. You've just beat the original Super Mario Brothers on the NES.
Hamlet? Hamlet? You know you're in trouble. Don't play cute now. You know what you've done. You are in trouble and you know it. You're not supposed to eat the shoes. You're really not supposed to eat them. They're my shoes, buddy.
Yo, what is this?
It's guys swimming.
No way.
Yeah, check it out, man. It's guys swimming.
WTF, this is sick.
Hey, what's up, guys? Hey, what's up? Yo, what is this? Guys swimming? You got it, man. Epic. Hold their breath. They hold their breath underwater and then they do one of these. What's going on?
Hey man, hey.
Hey, man. What is this? Swimming guys? It's guys swimming, yeah. Epic. Holding their breath?
Holding their breath underwater, yeah.
Doing one of these guys.
No way.
Epic. What's this? It's guys swimming.
Like fish?
Well, yeah, but they're guys.
Incredible.
Guys swimming like fish. Guys swimming like fish.
Breathing underwater?
No, holding their breath, but they do one of these.
Oh, they do like the breathy guy come up for air.
Exactly. You got a bunch of swimming guys out there.
We do indeed. Swimming guys.
Swimming guys. Exactly, man.
Uh-oh. Yeah. Let's go, ball. Oh. What?